on, y'all? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and I'm back with another banger for y'all, man. Shout out to y'all for clicking on this video. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you can notify every single time I post. You don't want to miss none of the heat that I got coming. Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all already tired, you know exactly why you're here. I don't want to waste no more time. Follow me on my socials, like this video. Let's get it. So right now, y'all read the title, man. I don't know what's about to happen today. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. I don't know what's about to happen. I'm taking a shot in the dark. It ain't something that I was planning on doing today. I'm not gonna lie. This was like completely, almost random. I mean, so y'all see it's rainy out. I need gas. I'm about to get gas real quick and head on up to the dealership and go see what's up, man. Go see what they got for me, y'all. Let's see what price gas is at. $4.25. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't feeling it today. I'm not feeling it today. Cause I'm gonna end up having to get gas this weekend anyway. Make sure y'all get your receipts too. I'm gonna teach y'all the source. Get your receipts, man. Y'all could get some, if not all of this bread back. Just to let y'all know. Yeah. I see it, man. I say it pretty. Fueling up. This her favorite spot. I swear I say that probably every other day. It's her favorite place. Literally. This shit don't mean I ain't even touching it. This shit gonna stop at 50. I don't know why they be trying to have. They putting limits on everybody getting gas. I had to scan too, but that's cool. Let me get my receipts. Oh, down here. Yeah. Like I said, y'all could get some, if not all of that gas written off, man. But alright, let's go to this dealership. See what's going down. Tired of all these red lights, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below, what I'm finna look at. If y'all follow me on IG, most of y'all already know what car I really want to get next, what vehicle I really want to get next. So I've been sending out so many subliminals on there. Not even subliminals, just letting y'all know what I'm really about to try to get next. About to get a pull for y'all real quick. A little fake launch. Was that a cop? Okay. I hate these new taxis that they buy. Oh. Like I said, I hate these new taxis. Not new, but they buy old cop cars. And the cops still got the two-tone paint, so they look like cop cars still from a distance. I hate seeing them. I had to cut the cam on real quick. It's a C7 that. Let's see what this show looking like. Bright yellow. I ain't gonna lie, that might be a sign. Might be a sign. I ain't gonna lie, that's a hint right there, actually. That's a hint on what I'm going to look at right now. That's crazy. Y'all go down and comment what y'all think I'm finna go look at, man. Let me know what y'all think. Like I said, if you follow me on my Instagram, I kind of be sending like subliminals in a sense. Oh, and to let y'all know, I think I might be raffling off the G. old dude driving now. Had to pull over to the side. They got the Shelby Forward. Damn, shit is alright. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, like I was saying, I've been seriously thinking about raffling off the Jeep, y'all. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think about that. I kind of want it to be like a more personal experience, and I want to actually raffle off the Jeep and let somebody have the opportunity to get the Jeep for a low price. So I've been thinking about it, posting about it on my Instagram a lot. So y'all gotta let me know what y'all think. Would y'all enter the giveaway? Would y'all, you feel me? Like, would you buy a lot of tickets? Would you only buy one? How much should I sell the tickets for? Which I think is a good price. You feel me? So let me know in the comment section below, y'all. I seriously, I want it to be like a more personal experience. I want it to be content for y'all. I want somebody who kind of like follows the page almost. So y'all getting the first insight now. If you hearing me now, I think about raffling off the Jeep. Let me know. DM me, whatever. Comment down below. But yeah, I'm definitely thinking about raffling off the Jeep. I just don't want to trade it on a regular lot and let somebody random get it and then not know who's getting my Jeep, you know? So I want to let somebody who follows me really get my Jeep. And as I'm pulling in the dealership right now, y'all see we got a Toyota right now, and this is probably gonna shock y'all, but I'm thinking about maybe getting a Toyota. Yeah, right. I ain't gonna lie, if y'all really thought I was gonna go look at a Toyota, you must be out your mind. Y'all know why I'm here. Comment down below what y'all think I'm here to see, man. Where should I park? I'm about to do. Oh, you, where Freddy at, man? Oh, they got a Hemi Orange back here. They got a Hemi Orange RT. Durango, that's nice, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, let me find somewhere to park, y'all. Oh, hold up, we got a Scatty over here. Oh, that's somebody's Scat, clean though. Wide body. It's a different color. It's like a periwinkle, almost like. I don't even know if that's the right color for that, but let me go in here. Let me know what y'all think I'm here for, man. This is why, bro. This is why I'm here. Yeah, man. This shit is OD, bro.
SRT BUBZ approved.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's right there.
Mm-hmm.
I think he's with a lady too.
Alright. I bet.
Boy here?
No, how you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Oh, very nice, very nice. Yeah, this shit is crazy, y'all. this is why we here. This is why we here. So they just took my car. They're about to get it appraised right now. See how much they're gonna give me for my Jeep. Got my fingers crossed. Hopefully they're gonna give me a good number, and hopefully they're gonna give me a good price for the big boy back there. So fingers crossed. And my man's Hawk Factor just pulled up.
What's going on?
Good, baby. How you?
All right.
Seen it?
What got a special name, right?
Havoc. Bro. Bro. Shit crazy, bro. They taking my Jeep in the back now to get it appraised.
Like the F350.
That shit's huge, bro. Pop the hood. Oh, that shit all the way under.
It's like considered. Slide back, they go on top versus like on Jeep, it goes down.
Oh, it go.
That's different.
Let me get up in this motherfucker. Yeah, this shit is fucking. Look at the dash, bro. Crazy.
23.
Yeah. Really gotta use that step thing to get out. It's the twin turbo inline 6. It's the Dodge IC. So this in the Hornet too?
Nah.
What the Hornet gonna have?
They got something else. It's a smaller displacement. Like, I was just watching the Hornet last night, man, and it was like basically slow as hell.
Word?
Yeah.
How much horse you think it got?
Like 300.
Ugh.
This, I think this the high out. 480 if I'm not mistaken.
480? In this shit? Alright, y'all, we just talked numbers. He said he about to work with me a little bit on the price and bring it down a little bit. He's gonna issue me a bill of sale. So we about to see. I'm about to go see if I can get this, y'all. I don't know. We about to keep your fingers crossed, y'all. We're gonna see if I get approved to get this. Got my bill of sale. About to call the bank. See if I be able to walk out with this a little later, man. Let me get this one last look. Ugh. She got 20 miles on it, chat. 20 miles. Brand new. 20 miles, chat. I ain't even know had carbon in the back. Yup.
Hey, the materials in here look crazy. They ain't even the Jeep like that.
Yeah, they went crazy on this, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit got the noobs, bro. 360 cameras, all that shit, bro.
That screen is sick too.
That's like 2 screens. Shit crazy, bro.
I spent 2 hours last night cleaning one fucking
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta get those ceramics.
Yeah, like basically almost like that, bro. That shit is hard.
In the rear
Well.
well.
You know, like a little like lift or something. I'll take all them motherfuckers off. Clean them at one time.
Big Hawk, man. Big Hawk. That blue lights, bro. That shit is the tint on the lights.
Yeah. See, I thought about doing the red or the yellow, but I don't want to change the color of the actual light. You know, when you think about light, they naturally have like a blue hue.
See that scatty right there?
Hell yeah.
Wide body. Yes.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Nah. I seen some that look like a lot extra, but this one looks like this that look okay. Like there's some that be like matte, like they come down like way further, stick out way more. Like this one, you feel me? You want that look, it's okay. He just need bigger tips in the back though. Yeah, I'm guessing. Yeah, frostbite. Crazy. Alright, y'all, I got the bill of sale here. All I gotta do is bring this to my bank. Hopefully I get approved, and then I'll be trading in the Jeep, y'all. It's gonna be crazy. Y'all don't want to miss that, so I'm not gonna do that this video. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned for that. I'm gonna cut the video now. Go down, follow me on my Instagram, follow me on TikTok at SRT-BUBZ. Get this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell. You don't want to miss the bangers that I got coming for y'all, man. I'm almost at 2,000 subs. I need like 200 more. I should be at like 1,800 subs. Help me get to 2,000, y'all. Yeah, so that does that for this video. Thanks again for tuning in, y'all. Peace.